Welcome to Whiteboard Friday, a series of short videos in which we're going to explain our tools to you. Today again about the PipeScanner. So after a lot of information about the tool itself, how it works, what you need to do, today we will talk about uploading the data to the cloud. So after you have done a scan, you need to connect your data logger to the device. It can be a laptop or a tablet, for example. Then you open the software, and the software will automatically detect the device. So you can start a new upload. But before just uploading the data, you will also make sure that the data is of high quality. So that can be done in this overview. So if you think one of your scans, for example, the 12 o'clock position scan, was insufficient, you can leave it out from the data to be analyzed. So after that, you can add a lot of details. So for example, the reason of the inspection, your own project number, whatever you want, to make it easier to understand afterwards. What's also really important is to add the circumferential measurement over here, which we also explained in a previous video. You can also add, for example, pictures of the pipe in this overview. So if you've checked everything and you're satisfied enough with the data, you need to pack the data. So here you can click on Pack and Upload. If you have an internet connection, it will automatically also upload it to the cloud. If not, you can also upload it when you're in the office again, for example. So after you've done that, you can close the application and the job is done. So did you find this video interesting? Please feel free to get in contact with us. And also make sure you watch the next videos. We'll still talk about the dashboard, so where you see the results of the PipeScanner, and also about our other tools, for example, the Aquarius. So stay tuned. Thank you very much.